I know a lot of people who have trouble with this, especially where I come from, but over the years, I've mastered a technique that works every time. Honestly, the best way I've found to get the job done is to penetrate it, grab onto it real tight, lubricate it, and then twist. Now, you got a good hold of it, right? So once you start feeling that heat build up in your palm, then you know it's ready to come out. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. I've got this one started right here, the pressure line. On all of these rusted out fuel pump modules, it's always the return line that goes first because it's thinner and slightly smaller. I'll show you the whole process on that one. After so long, you'll start feeling that heat in your hand. That's when you start to go for it. Oh yeah, she's toasty. That clip pushed back in on me. It helps to take that clip completely out. Let's give her a little more penetrant, a little more lube. Heat it back up one more time because it's not just pulling right out. Get a better clamp with my vice grips. If you don't have enough meat left on it, sucks to be you. It will actually get warm in your palm. You got 3 seals inside there, and they also get rust stuck, and the heat just kind of lets it break free, the metal from the plastic and the O-ring. She's still not coming. That's all right, we'll do it again. You can go the other route and buy these new fittings at the parts store and put them onto the plastic lines. If you want the whole line replacement, you're gonna have to go dealership probably, most likely. Try to get the whole clip out of there. Well, this was a fail. Usually that trick works. That sucks. That sucks big ones. Time to go to option 2. That's what I was talking about, is they're not having enough meat left. So you can just shred them instead of them coming out. Try to give it the old pry, and it won't even pry out of there. That sucks. Work it a little bit, see what happens. I don't want to break or compromise the seals or the plastic, but yep, it is not prying out of there. Got a little smoke going. Come on, get out of there, sucker. She's toasty. Let's see if we can get her to pull out. There we go. And all the seals stayed in place. Let's go. None of the seals pulled out with the metal. That's what I'm talking about. To resort to the old drill method. Well, let's get this other one done. So they rot out right here, so you just break them off. Seems to be the easiest way. And that clip is seized to the metal. First thing we do is soak it down in some penetrant, and then we're going to want to start spinning this. See, it kind of breaks that rust up. Once that rust gets broken up, then that clip will back out of there for you. Alright, that's enough spins, I think. A little more penetrant. There we go. Clip comes out. Use your little pick to get in at those tabs. Get them to bend in and pull out a little bit. There we go. Boom. Now we can shoot some more penetrant in there. Directly on it. We'll try the by hand method first off. So you got to generate that heat like the drill did. You needed some extra RPMs. I feel like I feel this one loosening, I think. Like it's breaking free. Yep, see, I felt it. But this one, you see we got the O-ring and the seal. Now we carefully got to pry that off of there. See that? So I can take it over to the vise now and clamp down on the metal with the vise grips or something, or snips, and distort the metal, you know, kind of shrink it, kind of crush it in, so this seal breaks free, comes off. And then on the new one, right here, I'll simply put the seal on there and then the O-ring, and then press them together, and I'll activate the pump and make sure there's no leaks. But doing it this method, I've never had one leak, even though you would think it might damage that little grommet, cowler, whatever it is. There's another one, a third one down in there, I believe, on the pressure side, but I could be wrong on this model. But there'll either be 2 or 3. And this little cowler sits right up against the O-ring like that, but that's the way you do it. Never had this method fail me ever since I invented it. Catch you later.